Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Apple, full guide step by step clearly. To invest with Apple, start by creating an Apple ID if you don't already have one. Visit the official Apple website or the App Store to download the Apple Wallet app. Open the Apple Wallet app and tap on Add Card to link your payment method. Follow the prompts to set up Apple Pay for seamless transactions. Next, familiarize yourself with Apple stock by researching its performance on financial news websites or apps. Consider investing through a brokerage that allows you to buy Apple shares directly. If you prefer a hands-off approach, look into exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that include Apple in their portfolios. Assess your investment strategy, whether it's long-term holding, day trading, or dollar-cost averaging. Determine how much money you want to invest in Apple. Keep in mind your overall financial goals and risk tolerance. Once you're ready, place an order to buy Apple stock using your chosen brokerage platform. Alternatively, if you want to invest in Apple's ecosystem without buying stock, consider purchasing Apple products for personal use or resale. Stay updated on Apple's future ventures and events that may impact its stock value. Regularly review your investment portfolio to ensure it aligns with your goals. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized guidance as needed. By following these steps, you can confidently invest with Apple. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.